Single U preparation. U preparation can be proceed only by mechanical, slow and expensive. However, tighter tolerance obtained in this case provide far a better fit up than in the case of V preparation. Usually it is applied to thicker plates compared with single V preparation, as it requires less filler material to complete the joint, and this leads to lower residual stress and distortion. Similar to the V preparation. In the case of very thick section, a double U preparation can be used. Double U preparation. Usually this type of preparation does not require a land. Single V preparation with backing strip. Backing strip allows the production of full penetration weld with increased current and hence increased deposition rate productivity without the danger of burn through. Backing strip can be permanent or temporary. Permanent type are made of the same material as being joined and are tape welded in place. The main problem related to this type of weld are poor fatigue resistance. Problem related to this type of weld are poor fatigue resistance and the probability of creative corrosion between the parent material and the backing strip. It is also difficult to examine by NDT due to the at the root of the joint. Temporary type include copper strip, ceramic lines and fluxes. All these preparations, single, double, bevel and J, can be used on T-joints as well. Double preparation are recommended in the case of thick section. The main advantage of these preparation is that only one component is preferred. Cheap can allow for small misalignment. For further details regarding weld preparation, please refer to standard BSEN ISO 9692. Size of butt welds. Full penetration butt weld. This is called actual throat thickness. This is design throat thickness, like material thickness. Run pass. The metal melted or deposited during one pass of an electrode, torch or blowpipe. Layer. A stratum of weld metal consisting of one or more runs. Fillet weld. A fusion weld other than a butt edge or fusion spot weld, which is approximately triangle in transfer cross section. Size of fillet welds. Unlike butt weld, fillet welds can be defined using several dimensions. Actual thread thickness. The perpendicular distance between two lines, each parallel to a line joining the outer rows, one being a tangent at the weld face and the other being through the furthermost point of fusion penetration. Design throat thickness. The minimum distance of throat thickness used for purpose of design, also known as effective throat thickness, symbolized on the drawing with a leg length. The distance from the actual or projected in intersection of the fusion face and the toe of fillet weld measured across the fusion face, symbolized on the drawing with Z. This, this design for fillet weld. This we call leg length. This also called leg length. This is our base metal. This is our weld metal. This actual thread thickness, like root to this end of cap. Design thread thickness, also called this same thing.